This is the Oecs Newslink, a roundup of major news happening across the Oecs today. In the headlines,
St. Martin officially joins the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States. The 76th Oecs Authority meeting calls for accelerated regional integration and collective prosperity. The Biospace Program advances biodiversity conservation in the Virgin Islands, and Oecs identifies crucial finance gap at the Sustainable Energy for All Global Forum. Welcome to the weekly edition of the Oecs Newslink. I am Claudia McDowell. St. Martin officially advanced its position towards associate membership in the Oecs on March 19, 2025, marking a pivotal moment in the region's ongoing efforts towards greater integration and collaboration. St. Martin is now the 12th member state of the Oecs and the third French overseas territory with associate membership. This highlights the eagerness to strengthen connections in the region through diplomacy and development. Here is President Mussington of the Collectivity of St. Martin at the accession ceremony.
This ceremony of accession of St. Martin to Oecs is definitely a key moment for St. Martin, a historic one, I might add. As I'm looking to the audience, I see cultural diversity. Today, through our membership of the Oecs, we are establishing a formal inter-institutional dialogue. This closer relationship with our neighbors will be supported by strengthening and structured cooperation and initiative in a variety of areas such as healthcare, medical services, SME growth, trade and education, to name but a few. This quest for economic prosperity and human development for my fellow citizens makes all the more sense given that St. Martin, despite its small size, is geostrategically positioned and belongs to two spheres of political influence, one immediate and Caribbean, the other more distant and European. My dear friends of the Friendly Island, St. Martin is making its regional integration official today.
The 76th meeting of the Oecs Authority took place in St. Martin last week. Under the chairmanship of St. Lucia's Prime Minister, Honorable Philip J. Pierre, the two-day meeting highlighted urgent calls for accelerated regional integration and economic resilience in the face of global challenges. Premier of Anguilla, Honorable Cora Richardson Hodge, and Oecs Director General Dr. Didicus Jules also emphasized the importance of unity and collective action as leaders gathered to strengthen the bonds of cooperation across the region. Here's a clip from Prime Minister Pierre's remarks.
To the citizens of the Oecs, we hear you. You are not bystanders in the process. You are the key stakeholders and the markers of progress. Integration is not just a policy, it's a promise, a commitment to every citizen. It's a manifestation of our collective hope, the determination of the drafters and signatories of the treaty, and the legacy we leave.
The need to secure financing for small island developing states, SIDS, to transition to sustainable energy was identified as a critical issue by the Oecs during the SC for All Global Forum held in March 2025. Earlier this year, Oecs member states set ambitious but practical goals for sustainable energy and energy independence over the next decade under the Bastille Declaration. The financial challenge was a central theme throughout the forum, with discussions focusing on how to streamline financial access for SIDS. The SC for All Forum provided a unique opportunity for SIDS to have a voice on global platforms, discussing critical issues such as climate justice and financing. The Biospace project has taken a key step by supporting the development of a National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan, NBSAP, for the Virgin Islands. This plan ensures that marine and terrestrial ecosystems are safeguarded, supporting long-term socio-economic growth. The initiative aligns with the Oecs Commission's broader goal of enhancing regional capacity to manage coastal and marine biodiversity while strengthening resilience to climate change. To create a comprehensive and effective plan, the Oecs has enlisted technical experts to review existing legislation, policies, and projects. The development of the NBSAP is a crucial step in aligning conservation efforts with economic prosperity. The NBSAP ensures that the conservation and economic growth can coexist for future generations. Thanks for joining us for the Oecs Newslink, and don't forget to follow these stories on Oecs social media and on our website oecs.int.